Okay, this is your part 2. When a function describes a real-world situation, every real number is not always reasonable for the domain and range. Remember, your domain is your x, range is your y. For example, a number representing the length of an object cannot be negative. And any whole numbers can represent a number of people. I'm sorry, only whole numbers can represent number of people. You can't have half of a person. Okay, so let's look at 9 and 10 here. Joe has enough money to buy 1, 2, or 3 DVDs at $15 each. If he buys any at all, write a function to describe the situation. Find the reasonable domain and range of the function. Okay, so let's use f of d to represent DVDs, and we need to write the function or the equation. Okay, so it costs $15 for each DVD. So 15D is going to be your function. Okay, so for our domain, class, remember that's our x, which is our input. We're going to input, you can actually buy 0 because it says Joe has enough money to buy 1, 2, 3 at $15 if he buys any at all. So you can have 0, 1, 2, or 3. For our range, remember, that's our y, which is our output. We have to solve the equation, okay? So, right here, if d is 0, 15 times 0 is 0. If d is 1, 15 times 1 is 15. If d is 2, 15 times 2 is 30. And then if d is 3, 15 times 3 is 45. Okay, so we identified our function. Check. We listed our domain and our range. Our domain is what we're inputting for x, 1, 2, and 3. Be careful because any at all means 0. And then you have to substitute in for d to find out what our output, which is our range, 0, 15, 30, and 45. All right, I'm going to have you do number 10 on your own, and I'm going to do it quietly. So look up here if you need help. All right, guys, that's it. Have a good evening.